All right, guys, quick little video on Cal. Let's see if that engine will run. All right, guys, let's see if I can get this thing to crack off. I've already primed it a little bit, turned it over a couple times. Let's see if it'll start now. All right, got a couple jumper boxes on it now because this one's dying and that one doesn't activate unless there's power. So here we go. Oh, that one didn't activate. There it goes. All right. Doesn't sound too bad. It's got a few cobwebs, it sounds like. Probably a little carb cleaning and check the spark plugs, and probably all I got to do. But still runs. First start in a couple of years, maybe. So that's all I got for you today. Oh, other than paint job. Still need a belt. Still need a seat, amongst some other little things. Need to make a bumper, and as you heard, I'll need exhaust. Right now I'm an open header.